Stratus 5 Oxygen Concentrator Troubleshooting. Expert Solutions. Oxygen concentrators are crucial for many people with respiratory issues. They provide a steady supply of oxygen. The Stratus 5 oxygen concentrator is popular for its reliability and ease of use. But what happens when it stops working properly? Understanding common issues and how to fix them can be vital. This guide will help you troubleshoot problems with your Stratus 5. We will cover the most frequent issues users face. From power problems to alarm sounds, we will explain what to check. You'll find practical solutions that can save you time and worry. Let's get started and ensure your Stratus 5 works smoothly. Introduction to Stratus 5. Are you or a loved one in need of a reliable oxygen concentrator? The Stratus 5s might be just what you're looking for. This device has become a favorite among many due to its efficiency and user-friendly design. But like any other machine, it can sometimes run into issues. Understanding its features, benefits, and common problems can help you get the most out of it. Features and benefits. The Stratus 5 is packed with several impressive features. It's lightweight and portable, making it easy to move around. You don't have to worry about it taking up too much space or being too heavy to handle. One of its standout features is the high oxygen concentration levels it delivers consistently. This ensures you get the right amount of oxygen at all times, enhancing your overall health and well-being. Another benefit is its quiet operation. No one likes a noisy machine, especially when you're trying to relax or sleep. The Stratus 5 operates quietly, so it won't disturb your peace. Common issues. Despite its many advantages, the Stratus 5 can encounter some common problems. One frequent issue is the device not turning on. This can be due to a loose power cord or a depleted battery. Another issue users face is low oxygen output. This can be troubling, but it's often caused by clogged filters or a kinked hose. Regular maintenance can help prevent this. If the device overheats, it can be alarming. This usually happens when the air vents are blocked or if the machine is used for extended periods without breaks. Make sure the vents are clear and give the device some rest now and then. Have you faced any of these issues with your Stratus 5? What solutions worked for you? Sharing your experiences can help others troubleshoot effectively. Basic maintenance. Maintaining your Stratus 5 oxygen concentrator is crucial for its longevity and efficiency. Basic maintenance involves a few simple steps that can help you avoid unexpected breakdowns and ensure a continuous supply of oxygen. Regular upkeep isn't just a task, it's a way to make sure you or your loved ones get the best out of the device. Cleaning the filters. First, let's talk about the filters. They play a significant role in ensuring the air you breathe is clean and free from impurities. You should clean the filters at least once a week. Remove the filter, rinse it under warm water, and let it air dry completely before reinserting it. A clean filter means better airflow and more efficient oxygen production. Plus, it prevents the device from overworking and potentially breaking down. Checking the tubing. Next, let's focus on the tubing. The tubing is the pathway for the oxygen to reach you, so it needs to be in perfect condition. Inspect the tubing for any kinks or blockages. Replace it if you notice any wear and tear. A simple check can save you from sudden interruptions in your oxygen supply. It's always a good idea to have spare tubing on hand. Have you ever had a sudden stop in your oxygen supply? What did you wish you had checked beforehand? Engaging in these basic maintenance tasks can make a big difference. Not only will you extend the life of your oxygen concentrator, but you'll also ensure a reliable and steady flow of oxygen. Keep these tips in mind, and you'll breathe easier knowing your equipment is in top shape. Power supply problems. Power supply problems can be a common issue with the Stratus 5 oxygen concentrator. These issues can lead to disruptions in oxygen therapy, which can be frustrating. Knowing how to identify and solve these power problems is crucial for ensuring your concentrator works when you need it most. Identifying power issues. When your Stratus 5 stops working, the first thing you should check is the power supply. Is the unit plugged in properly? Sometimes the simplest things can cause the biggest headaches. Check if the power cord is damaged. A frayed or broken cord can prevent electricity from reaching the concentrator. Also, look at the outlet. Is it functional? Plug another device into the same outlet to see if it works. Look at the machine's display. If it's blank, the problem might be with the power supply. A blinking light or error message can also indicate power issues. Solutions for power failures. Once you've identified a power issue, the next step is solving it. If the power cord is damaged, replace it immediately. Safety first. Using a damaged cord can be dangerous. If the outlet isn't working, try another one. Sometimes outlets fail, and switching to a different one can solve your problem instantly. If you're using a power strip, ensure it's turned on and working properly. Reset your concentrator. Unplug it, wait for about a minute, and then plug it back in. This simple reset can sometimes fix minor power issues. Have you experienced frequent power outages? Consider using an uninterruptible power supply, UPS, to keep your concentrator running during brief outages. It's a small investment for peace of mind. Finally, if none of these solutions work, it might be time to contact a professional. Don't hesitate to reach out to customer support. They can offer more specific troubleshooting steps or recommend a technician. Have you ever had power issues with your Stratus 5? What solutions worked for you? Sharing your experiences can help others facing similar problems. Low oxygen output. Experiencing low oxygen output from your Stratus 5 oxygen concentrator can be frustrating. This issue can directly impact your health and comfort, so it's crucial to address it promptly. Understanding the causes and knowing how to troubleshoot can help you restore the device's optimal performance. Causes of low output. Several factors can lead to low oxygen output in your concentrator. A common cause is a clogged or dirty filter. Over time, dust and debris can obstruct airflow. Regular maintenance can prevent this. Another potential issue is a kinked or blocked oxygen tubing. Even a small bend can restrict the flow. Ensure your tubing is straight and free from obstructions. Additionally, check the power source. Inconsistent or low power can affect the concentrator's performance. Make sure it's plugged into a reliable outlet. Steps to increase output. First, inspect and clean your filters. Remove the filter and gently wash it with mild soap and water. Allow it to dry completely before reinserting it. This simple step can significantly improve airflow. Next, examine your tubing. Straighten any kinks and check for blockages. Replace the tubing if it's damaged or worn out. This ensures a smooth oxygen flow to your nasal cannula. Ensure your device is receiving adequate power. Use a surge protector to safeguard against power fluctuations. If you suspect an issue with your outlet, try plugging the concentrator into a different one. Have you ever noticed an improvement after cleaning your device or adjusting the tubing? Small steps can make a big difference. Regular maintenance is key to ensuring your concentrator works efficiently. What other tips have you found useful for maintaining your oxygen concentrator? Share your experiences in the comments below. Your insights could help others facing similar challenges. Alarm troubleshooting. When it comes to using the Stratus 5 oxygen concentrator, alarm signals can be a bit daunting, especially if you're unsure what they mean or how to address them. Alarm troubleshooting is a crucial skill to ensure your device is functioning correctly and delivering the oxygen you need. Let's dive into the common alarm signals you might encounter and how to resolve them effectively. Common alarm signals. The Stratus 5 oxygen concentrator comes with several alarm signals to alert you of potential issues. Here are some of the most common ones. Low oxygen concentration. This alarm indicates that the oxygen level is below the required concentration. High temperature. The device is overheating and needs to cool down. Low flow. There is an obstruction or the oxygen flow is below the set level. Power failure. The device has lost its power source or is not receiving adequate power. Understanding these signals can help you take prompt action to fix the issues and maintain the efficiency of your concentrator. How to resolve alarms. Resolving alarms on the Stratus 5 is generally straightforward if you know the right steps. Here are practical tips to address each common alarm. Low oxygen concentration. Check the air filter and replace it if it's dirty. Ensure the device is in a well-ventilated area to avoid restricted airflow. High temperature. Turn off the concentrator and let it cool down for at least 30 minutes. Check if the air intake is blocked and clear any obstructions. Low flow. Inspect the tubing for kinks or blockages. Make sure the nasal cannula is properly connected and not damaged. Power failure. Verify that the power cord is securely plugged into a functioning outlet. If using a power strip, ensure it is switched on and working correctly. Always refer to the user manual for specific instructions related to your model. If an alarm persists after troubleshooting, contact customer support for further assistance. Have you faced any unique issues with your Stratus 5 oxygen concentrator alarms? Share your experiences and solutions in the comments. Engaging with others can provide new insights and help everyone use their concentrators more effectively. Noise and vibration issues. Experiencing noise and vibration issues with your Stratus 5 oxygen concentrator can be frustrating. These disturbances can interrupt your peace and potentially indicate underlying problems. Understanding the sources of noise and knowing how to reduce vibration can help maintain your device's performance and longevity. Sources of noise. Several factors can cause noise in the Stratus 5 oxygen concentrator. The fan is a common source. It helps cool the unit but can become noisy if obstructed. Check for dust or debris. Another source is the compressor. It works hard to compress air, which can sometimes be loud. Regular maintenance can help keep it running smoothly. Loose parts can also cause noise. Ensure all screws and bolts are tight. Reducing vibration. Vibration issues can arise from improper placement. Ensure your concentrator is on a flat, stable surface. Placing it on an uneven surface can increase vibration. Using a rubber mat can help absorb some of the vibrations. Check the feet of the concentrator. They should be intact and even. Damaged feet can cause imbalance and vibration. Regularly inspecting and tightening all parts can also reduce vibration. Proper maintenance helps keep your unit stable and quiet. Airflow blockages. Airflow blockages in your Stratus 5 oxygen concentrator can significantly impact its performance. Identifying and resolving these blockages is crucial for maintaining optimal oxygen delivery. Let's dive into how you can detect and clear these blockages effectively. Detecting blockages. First, pay attention to any unusual sounds from the concentrator. A sudden increase in noise could indicate a blockage. Also, observe the oxygen output. If it seems lower than usual, airflow blockages might be the culprit. Another method is to check the filters. If they are clogged or dirty, they might restrict airflow. Remove the filters and inspect them closely. Always follow the manufacturer's guidelines for cleaning or replacing filters. Consider the tubing as well. Kinks or bends in the tubing can obstruct airflow. Ensure that the tubing is straight and free of any obstructions. Regularly inspect the tubing for any signs of wear or damage. Clearing the pathways. To clear the pathways, start with the filters. If they are dirty, clean them gently with warm water and mild soap. Ensure they are completely dry before reinstalling. Replace them if they are damaged or excessively dirty. Next, check the tubing. Straighten any kinks and replace any sections that appear damaged. Keeping extra tubing on hand can be helpful for quick replacements. Regular maintenance is key. Schedule periodic checks of the concentrator to ensure all components are functioning correctly. Keeping a maintenance log can help you stay on top of these tasks. Have you ever experienced a sudden drop in oxygen output? It can be alarming, but knowing how to detect and clear blockages can prevent such surprises. Share your tips or questions in the comments below. Professional assistance. When dealing with your Stratus 5 oxygen concentrator, sometimes it can be challenging to diagnose and fix issues on your own. This is where professional assistance comes in handy. You don't have to feel overwhelmed, as there are experts ready to help you ensure your concentrator is functioning correctly. When to contact support. If your concentrator is not turning on, contact support. Unusual noises or alarms might also indicate a need for professional help. If you've tried basic troubleshooting and the problem persists, it's time to reach out. Don't wait until the problem escalates. Early intervention can prevent further damage. Consider keeping the support contact details handy for quick access, warranty, and service options. Check your warranty details before seeking professional help. Your Stratus 5 oxygen concentrator may still be covered for repairs. Knowing your warranty terms can save you money and stress. Most warranties cover parts and labor for a specified period. If your warranty has expired, inquire about service options. Many companies offer extended service plans or one-time repair services. Ask about loaner units while yours is being repaired. This ensures you remain supported and your oxygen needs are met. Being proactive in understanding your warranty and service options can make a significant difference. Have you ever had to contact support for your concentrator? How was your experience? Share your thoughts and tips in the comments below. Had frequently asked questions. How to reset Stratus 5 oxygen concentrator? To reset a Stratus 5 oxygen concentrator, turn off the device and unplug it. Wait for 5 minutes, then plug it back in and turn it on. What are the common faults of oxygen concentrator? Common faults of oxygen concentrators include low oxygen output, alarm issues, power failures, blocked filters, compressor problems. Regular maintenance helps prevent these faults. Why is my Stratus 5 beeping? Your Stratus 5 might be beeping due to low battery, signal loss, system error. Check the manual for specific troubleshooting steps. What are the warning lights on an oxygen concentrator? Oxygen concentrator warning lights include low oxygen purity, high temperature, power failure, service required indicators. Why is my Stratus 5 oxygen concentrator not turning on? Check the power source. Ensure it's plugged in. Verify outlet functionality. Conclusion: regular maintenance keeps your Stratus 5 oxygen concentrator running smoothly. Troubleshoot common issues to ensure reliable performance. Check filters, connections, and power supply. Replace any worn-out parts promptly. Consult the user manual for specific guidance. Don't hesitate to seek professional help if problems persist. Proper care extends the life of your device. Breathe easier with a well-maintained concentrator. Keep these tips handy for future reference. Happy troubleshooting. Let me know